So coming today, what I saw was we had a SMT with previous day low right here, and we still are inside that 4-hour bearish, like ranging with this 4-hour bearish to value gap. So I had initially a long bias to the London high because we had the SMT on the daily time frame, as well as the fact that on the daily candlestick there was no top awake. If you're in the call this morning, you heard me say there was no top awake on the daily candlestick, so pretty much there's no manipulation on the daily profile. So off the daily open, it just expanded lower, traded lower. So when you see that happen, you should be careful taking shorts and discount of this range. So when I saw this SMT right here, and then pre-market we were trading higher on the 15-minute time frame right here, and we pretty much inverse this 15-minute fair value up with this move higher before market open. I pretty much had a bullish bias to London high and wanted to see how we would trade off that. And yeah, so this was a lower time for market maker buy model, as we had that sell side of the curve price traded into that PD rate or that key level, which is that SMT previous day low, which caused that smart reversal for the buy side of the curve. So once I saw that, I instantly knew that this was the draw, and this hourly fair value gap right here was going to get drawn out 100%. I couldn't take any longs to the London high because I was waiting for the 10 a.m. open, and at the 10 a.m. open, we closed this 15-minute bullish fair value gap right here. So the 10 a.m. right here, at this candle close and at the 10 a.m. open, we closed this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So I wanted to see 10 a.m. trade into here for a 10 a.m. bullish power 3. So 10 a.m. reaching here to continue higher to London high. So that would have been the trade I was going to take, but it never happened. And what ended up happening was we actually took London high with SMT, leaving this 15-minute unmitigated. So I actually took a short position, and this was it right here off the London high with SMT. We put in a internal range SMT right here as well. Price traded lower, pretty much traded higher again, inversing this 1-minute bullish value up with this move down lower. So I entered short when price traded back into there. Stop loss was at this high, and then off of this move down, I trailed my stop to this high, and as you can see, I got ticked out like to the fucking tick, and then price goes to the take profit, which was that 15-minute bounce, which I was targeting. And within here, we just had really rangy action, just horrible action. I wouldn't be trading this. When you see price start accumulating like this, you should wait until we trade outside this range and like either taking buy side or sell side of it. So I was waiting for price to trade outside this range to take a position, and at around the 1 p.m. candle open at 12:42 p.m. price traded lower, swooping out this low right here, putting in SMT, which is also that 15-minute imbalance right here, and that's where I went long. I went long off the sweep pretty much. And I went long off the turtle sweep SMT. That was my conviction. Just enter on the sweep, stop loss at the swing low, and I targeted this high right here. I targeted this high for 230 ticks. I definitely could have targeted, I wanted to target the AM high and the previous day high, but I only had one contract and I didn't want to hold this trade for a longest time. I didn't think we were going to actually see expansion like this today. So that's why I closed out here, but this trade ended up playing out really well. So those are two trades today, and now we've just swept out, right? If you were in the class last night, I actually had a bullish bias for Tuesday. I wanted to see Tuesday run out the previous day high and this external high for potential Tuesday high of the week right here. So this would be the weekly manipulation. If I go to the weekly candle, if I go to the weekly open, draw out the weekly open right here. This would be our weekly manipulation. So I want to see if this holds as a Tuesday high of the week for potential shorts to trade tomorrow. I'm going to see how the overnight session trades to form a bias, but either we see higher past this high. I know I'm giving like a conflicting bias here. I'm saying bullish or bearish, but you have to see how price trades off this high to see a Tuesday high of the week. If we see price rejecting this high, then I'll have more of a bearish bias for Tuesday high of the week. But if we continue trading higher, then I have to see we might draw out this high as well. I thought you manually stopped. Yeah, I did manually stop. I manually stopped when I saw price take that high. When I saw price take this high, I took out. That's what I thought in my head when I saw price trade above this high. That's where I closed out. Bro, if I go to my executions, you literally see, bro, You'll literally see my execution. Just look at this, bro. Ah, shit. Look at the candle that stopped me out. It was this candle, right? That candle that stopped me out at that tick. This candle right here. That candle that stopped me out, and then price traded lower. So just unfortunate. I shouldn't have taken out at this high. I should have just killed myself loss at this high and just trusted the trade, because I would have caught. How many ticks was this? Only 270 ticks, but you know, we ended the day with a banger, 230 ticks, and I'm overall profit on the week now. Actually, I'm overall profit on the week now with this one trade. Put me green $300 on the week. That's the power of risk management. So I want to see how we trade off this high for Tuesday out of the week. I literally said in the call last night that we're going to take these highs, or if we do take these highs, these are my Tuesday. This is my Tuesday draw to potentially see a Tuesday high of the week. Bro, I just said my bias for tomorrow. Hold up. Alright, so what I noticed coming today is that I don't feel like searching for that shit. So overall clean day, but bad price delivery in the AM session, right? This was just shitty action, and we had clean price delivery in the PM session. So yes, Jet, I did mainly close that position. I mainly closed it when price retook this high. Right here. If you're in the live stream this morning, you would have heard me say I'm closing out when price takes this high. If price retakes this high, I'm closing out. And that's exactly what I did. Do you guys have any questions? So I want to see how this overnight session trades to frame a bearish bias tomorrow. I want to see how we trade off this high. Because we could see a low of the week here off the Monday low of the week with this S&T, because ES is pointing at a Tuesday low of the week. So we either have a Tuesday high of the week or low of the week. So we'll have to see how we trade off of this. But ideally, I would like to see a low of the week or high of the week off this high. Right now, the overnight session is just accumulating. I want to see how London manipulates, which side London manipulates to trade the New York session tomorrow. Would you like it to inverse? Would I like what to inverse? Oh, my leg is killing me. The 4-hour busy. If I see bearish structure, I wouldn't even need to see this get inversed. I would just anticipate inversion of this. If the 10 AM can close through this, the 10 AM candle can close through this 4-hour fair value gap, that would be nice, but I don't need to see this get inversed to take shorts if the overnight session sets up bearish. Because what this could be is our market maker buy model. We soup this high for retracement to continue higher, which is typically what happens a lot. This price expands, takes out a key level, soups it, retraces, and then continues expanding. A lot of you guys ask questions in like chat and stuff, but never ask questions in these live. So if you want to ask questions, like so I can just answer it, like within like through my voice rather than texting you out, it'll be easier. Like people, like someone's asking me like what I traded, like you know. But then when it comes to these live sessions, the chat's just dead. So that's what I'm looking at coming to tomorrow, because price finally traded outside this internal range, taking out external, which was this Thursday high here. All right, I'm going to end this call if nobody asks anything soon, because I have to do some studying. I have 2 exams tomorrow. But what gave you a bearish weekly bias? Pretty much off the weekly open. I'm seeing if this is the high of the week for a bearish bias. I want to see how price trades this high. If we resweep this high, then we're probably going to see higher. But this looks like a Tuesday high of the week as we accumulated, and then we traded higher, sweeping out this external. We finally swept out external of this whole entire range in the form of buy side liquidity. So that's why it's giving a bearish bias. We're still inside this 4-hour busy as well. 4-hour bearish busy right here. We still inside of this. Alright, I'm gonna end this call. I need to do studying. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I gotta be up early. Alright, I'll see you all in the morning. Catch y'all later.